Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel. When screen printing, a little off contact is necessary. That's the gap between the screen and the shirt or the surface you're printing on. Without some amount of off contact, you can run into problems with the ink not clearing the screen, or smudging of the image, uneven ink deposits, or lifting of the shirt from the platen. If the off contact adjustment on your press is spotty, you can tape a nickel to the underside of the frame. In my experience, this is frustrating though because it can fall off during printing. Since I've already made a squeegee holder and a frame handle that mount to the frame itself, I thought it would be relatively easy to modify these designs for this purpose. And this is what I came up with. This model will clip onto your frame wherever you like. It's got two different thicknesses for standoff, but if you need something shorter, you could modify the model before printing or simply sand it after it's printed to get the height you want. I'll post this to my Thingiverse and put the link in the description. That's all I've got this time. Be sure to hit all the buttons on the way out. Thanks for watching.